Chief Minister Okram Ibobi emphasizes the need for self-reliance in food production. Thaungnaujem Harojit fails to appear in the CGM court due to illness in Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter case. And Manipur is the winner of men's hockey in national level Northeast Games. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Premi Thangtung with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today emphasized the need for self-reliance in food production and increase in crop yield so that the state does not depend on other states. Addressing the three-day integrating agri-horticulture and allied research for food and nutritional security in the era of global climate disruption at GRIMS Jubilee Hall, Okram Ibobi also stressed the participation of the people in improving the condition of the farmers. The seminar is organized by ICAR Researchers Complex for Northeast Region, Umiam, Meghalaya. He said to prevent the farmers from taking up other trades, they need to be motivated so that they can make more profits from farming and improve their economic condition. The Chief Minister today released a new rice variety RC Manipur 13 and distributed to the farmers. An exhibition of agricultural products was also held as a part of the event.
How to motivate our farmers to give more emphasis and more profitable way. So please advise, and please, you people are our asset. Only the right person, you people should have to be advise them, and not only advice. And we should have to think seriously and how to produce more food grain and how to get benefit to our farmers so that our nation's economy will be grown like anything.
Head Constable Thaungnaujem Harojit did not turn up at the court today due to illness. The hearing for the 2009 Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter case was adjourned till March 21st by the District and Sessions Judge Imphal West, Maibam Manoj Kumar. Thaungnaujem Harojit, who has confessed to the killing of Chungkham Sanjit, had filed a petition to District and Sessions Judge Imphal West on February 25th, requesting the court to provide him a lawyer. Senior advocate Ningthaucham Ibochau is the new counsel for Harojit in the case. The 8 other accused persons involved in the 2009 Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter case appeared before the court today.
One of the NGO Mimala Edumana Nasidin Nari Langamaru Pare anyway, Madu area do Moisivia council, the accused council at the my objection period had next 21 is the way and say Hanigi, Manu Tarigasto, Punna objection here in Totai.
On the other hand, mother of Chungkham Sanjit, Chungkham Ongbi Taratombi, today filed a petition in the District and Session Court seeking CBI inquiry in the case. The court accepted the petition, which is filed under CRPC Section 1738. The court has scheduled the date for hearing over the petition for March 21st. It may be recalled that Sanjit's mother had earlier requested the High Court of Manipur for re-investigation by CBI into the case on February 22nd. The High Court of Manipur advised her counsel to approach the CGM court on February 26.
Makatana investigation CBI na tathabiyo aina haibasida CBI na yadabadigi High Court of Manipur da handakta thagiba adugi matungina High Court of Manipur na trial court ta oina tharo aina haigibigi matang aduga marilenina magi High Court ta thariba case adu withdraw tawraga trial court ta chatke haibadagi hairiba case si CBI na makatana thijil hanbiyu haibase masi aikogi darga soina ngasimak thabani bichar chathanaba charge thagal iba hana thagat kharabado further thijin humjillaga Makata supplementary charge Tagal U Haibagi, Adugmigi provision Adugi Makada cases.
President Upliftment Committee Mohammad Fakhruddin stated that former Health Minister and Wangkhem MLA Dr. Nimai Chan Luang will contest the 2017 general election from Andhra Assembly constituency. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club today, Mohammad Fakhruddin said a meeting in this regard was convened on February 2nd at the residence of the former minister, and the election campaign for Nimai Chan Luang will kick off from the 16th of this month. It is worth mentioning that Nimai Chan had contested 7 times from Wangkim Assembly constituency and won 5 times and lost twice.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯀꯣꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯂꯥ ꯐꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯆꯠꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯛꯅꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯈꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯄꯤꯂꯦꯠ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯍꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ.
A state-level convention of all left parties in the state was held at Gandhi Memorial Hall. Leaders and members of Communist Party of India, Manipur State Communist Party of India, Marxist-Leninist Liberation, Revolutionary Socialist Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist and Forward Bloc took part in the convention organized by Committee of Left Parties. The convention also offered homage to the deceased leaders of left parties of the country and the victims of January 4th earthquake by observing a 2-minute silence.
Manipura party amakhaktana akhoi left ki kanglup base akhoi pudun chatpa ngamoi do waduna leidiba left party sing loinana akhoi left oiba akhoi intellectual sing adu team ning lusing basing sinmi sing sat sing pumnamaki oiba apunma masengotana movement ma changsin langnamagi pandamdani akhoi ngasi changsin jariba akhoi convention asi gi maru pandam.
Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State Branch refuted Oinam MLA Dr. I. Ibohalbi's statement in Assembly that Horticulture Department set up net shades for the farmers in the state as misleading. Speaking at press meet at Manipur Press Club, President of the Bharatiya Kisan Sangh Manipur State Branch N. Indubhushan said the net shades are being set up as a part of the scheme taken up by Smira Agency under the Ministry of Agro-Textiles, in which central government bears 90% of the cost and not related to State Horticulture Department. The President also drew the attention of the authority concerned not to let contractors execute the works of Prime Minister Sinchai Yojana, SCADA and minor irrigation.
Lupa lang mga bhogi component nama lang mga people component nama Manipur di akhoi protected agriculture ne sagi pani masi horticulture ka mari lene de aduna akhoi MLA Ibohanbi Oinam Kendra gi Ibohanbina Assembly floor da horticulture department lupa lising yankhai Lauraga, Haribani Sai Hibasi, Horticulture Department Marilene de. I could see Ministry of Textile Piba, I could farmers na Amagi 10% Putopa, Ministry of Textile and 90% Putoga, Saba to Company said Sabani.
Classroom and campus activities of Trinity Public School, Mongsangai can now be seen live on internet. Principal of Trinity School Public, M. Inautombi, said this system, which is the first of its kind not only in Northeast states but in the whole India, will provide to the people the opportunity to see how the teachers teach the students in the classroom. She was hopeful that it will bring about a big change in the education system in Manipur.
Classroom that activities masi akhona parents na adagi guardians na natraga any apamba mi man hekta yumda natraga krai dana masane jaisida hekta yeng baya ba live ne batha dori se khoina khoi YouTube kumba da macha macha khoi toroga download toroga thabdu nataba phungdok budu nataba dui kanaba bidori sina karino harga yamna di problem di oigada ba potla mani mase ai isana khangjai adu orga so ai gi isa gi hogi ba sahi kun manga rongi teaching experience da ai amuk phobo penalty amata sarako leite.
The system was launched by All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Wangkimcha Siamjai at an event today. Siamjai praised Trinity Public School for its efforts. One Chinese-made hand grenade was discovered this morning near a house at Uripok, Huidrom, Lairak, Machin. The grenade was found near the gate of Sagrapam Rajesh alias Boy, 47 years, son of S. Lokeshwar in the morning 7:30. A team of Imphal West police safely removed the grenade around 8 a.m. Rajesh is a kerosene agent and owns a plastic industry at Pasoi which produces bottles for packages drinking water. No one has so far claimed responsible for the incident. Involvement of non-Manipuri in crime continues unabated in the state as the government has not been able to introduce inner line permit in the state. Two non-Manipuris who were allegedly tried to dupe locals in the name of cleansing gold ornaments at Langthabal Kunja were caught today. They have been identified as Mukesh Saha, age 27, son of Dukaram Saha, and Gulchand Saha, age 40, son of Ram Mohori Saha from Igdar village, Bagalpur district of Bihar. Locals caught them and handed over to Manipuri Students Federation. Speaking at a press meet, working president of MSF Muktangamba Mangang said the incident is not the first time in the state and expressed apprehension if there is a gang involved in such activities. He appealed to the people to be aware of such persons.
Luching Bakaradi, Manipur Sida, Lady. When Nini Katangai, Hai, Biharde Lakwa, Numini Sida Moina, Apam Kuting Changdana Kotana Tor Missionati, Moyoiba, so what network, Ama, the Ramuni Habitazi. Mamang the Sumayama Fakre, Sigitodok, police touch in Navana, Kongai me out from Adurisu, Adum talked on a lay, say Levak Miam, Jida Pogi, Hena meet my bang Nava, Matunda, Sumba, Changapa, Mayang Changpoyao Taragadi. And appeal to
8 Manipur Rifles personnel staying in Moray town have been asked by the landlords to clear the rent for 6 years. Speaking to media persons, one of the landlords from Kunau Maitai Laikai, Ward number 9, Maisnam Sarojini, requested the state government to clear the rent. She said earlier the state government gave the rent for 4 years in 2 installments, although they are yet to receive rent for the remaining 6 years. According to the landlords, these houses were leased out to the state forces after the riot of 2007 in Moray town. One-day free heart screening camp was organized by Sky Hospital and Manipur Heart Foundation in collaboration with Singjubung Youth Organization SYO Nagamapal Singjubung Lairak at SYO office. Doctors of Sky Hospital checked the sugar, blood pressure and ECG of over 100 patients at the camp.
Heart ki laina si mapanda khangdana yengbadadi healthy oiba koi gi hakchang phaba malaga heart ki manung de sokbadi udamnina pop tu dana laigidaba yamna yaure aduna madu khangdoknana ba hana prevention is better than cure haidana heart ki laina laibra haidana koina free ECG tauri aduga free koi gi BP checkup tauri free diabetes ki detection tawjari aduga koi gi complete heart check koi physical examination dagi tawraga masidagi identify tawrakpa.
It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute tha taruki oiba special job oriented course ama haujaragani hariba course asi tha ahum theory ni amadi internship tha ahum ni courses sing adudi level 1 certificate in front office operations, food and beverage service operations amadi housekeeping operation ni Mars ki tang tare dagi class haujaragani hena akupa marol ki dama Classic Hospitality Training Institute Babina Diagnostic Building 3rd floor Rims Road to contact of you.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime News. The Northeast Dial Oak Forum has condoled the untimely and sudden demise of Purno Ajitok Sangma, the former Speaker of Lok Sabha, on the 4th of this month. Two-day multilingual poetry recitation program organized by Sahitya Academy began today at Manipur University courtroom. Poems translated into 8 Eastern regional languages, namely Assamese, Bengali, Boro, Santali, Maithili, Nepali, Manipuri and Odia will be recited at the two-day program. Manipur University Vice-Chancellor Professor H. Nandakumar Sharma said the program will bring together all the 8 Eastern languages under one roof.
This Anubhava, or feeling the vital unifying force of our Indian literature, the great impulses behind literature are our desire of self-expression and our interest in people and their traditions. We are curious by nature. We want to know what is happening around us in this great country of ours. Our literature is guided by our interest in the world of reality in which we live, and the world of love to form and style provides the scope for our experiment to explore the language. Human nature is same, irrespective of our differences in caste, creed, or culture.
Film Forum Manipur today demonstrated against the attack on a director Mayang Langbam Raghumani alias Ipu at Kaisampat Lairenbi Community Hall. Secretary General of the Forum, Somen Moirangcha, demanded clarification from those responsible for the assault in 7 days. He said the Forum will resort to intense agitation if those involved fail to clarify in 7 days. It may be recalled that Ipu was brutally assaulted on March 3rd by unidentified miscreants.
Ipuda tawramiba thong asi karamba mioino amasung karamba khupunu tawguno haibadu puthokpiu haibagi akogi agitation ne akoinu si changhanjari base mase akoi hanbadi lai hiroi numiteni sibogi manungda puthokpiraktragadi akogi makha taba het thangnaba mikupta akoi miyam yauna akogi asawa public meeting ama sillaba matungda akoina karamba makhalgi agitation changhangadage haibase akoina thajariba numiteni sibogdi akoi ngai higani aduga masigi asumba phangdribawa akogi khongjingji hanbalairo haibase akoi Film Forum Manipur gi maikaidagi Manipur miyam khudingmakta akoina masigi wafam masi thamjari.
Prizes were distributed to the winners of Imphal Smart City competition conducted by Imphal Municipal Corporation at an event held at Imphal Municipal Corporation. The competition was held in 4 categories: Vision Essay, Smart City Logo and Tagline. Mayor of IMC and jury members of the competition distributed the prizes to the winners. Citation along cash prize was also presented to the winners. Lining Thausanamahi Wangoi Lai Selungba Longjam Bose Maitai has alleged that some people are trying to take hold of the agricultural land of Wangoi Lining Thausanamahi Temple to use it in other purposes. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Lai Selungbam Longjam Bose said Wangoi Football Association, WAFA, and some politically motivated persons converted the field to a sports ground on January 4th last year. He said a case is pending in the court. He also said it is unfortunate that when the case is still pending, Young Enlivenment Organization Wangoi has been organizing the first Wangoi Lining Thausanamahi Premium League football tournament in this ground from March 4th. He asked why Wangoi Police Station has not acted on the court's order.
Ngarang thokiba court ki order injunction ni matung hariba lofam asida akhoi mari leinaba department jing na miyang changbiraga hariba injunction gi norms rules se ngakpi injunction jibu akhoi implement torapa akhoina ngak chenjaba gi thabak changjalakpada afabata daita tholopa khudimak Wangoi Police Station na pugadabani.
Yumnam Arun Kumar of Peacemaker Artists Association has been adjudged Best Actor for his role in Chingkai Nganba in the 44th All Manipur Sumang Lila Festival 2015-16. Iboyama Kuman bagged the second Best Actor. Thongam Hiramoti of Iramda Manipur Artists Association bagged the Best Actress role for his role as Thadoi in Ngaikini. Senjam Dipsint and Sagol Sen Sana jointly won the second Best Actress. Y. Rajendra bagged the Best Director. Robindro Langthabal won the second Best Director. The festival was organized by Manipur State Kala Academy. The Election Commission on Friday announced the schedule for assembly polls in the 4 states and 1 union territory: Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam, Kerala and Puducherry. The elections will be held between April 4th and May 16th. The counting of votes on all seats in 5 states will take place on May 19th. Polling will be held in 6 phases, the maximum number in West Bengal. Assam will undergo polling in 2 phases, whereas the voting in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry will take place in single phases. While addressing a press conference in New Delhi, Chief Election Commissioner Nasim JD said that over 17 crore voters are likely to use their democratic right during the elections in all the states. Election Commission will set up over 1,90,000 polling stations across all the states. Now news from the world of sports. Manipur have won the men's hockey in the national level Northeast Games. In the final match played at Kuman Lampak Hockey Stadium today, host Manipur thrashed Mizoram by 6-2, while Assam trounced Meghalaya 11-0 in the face-off for the bronze. National level Northeast Games is organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under the aegis of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan. 507 men and 413 women players from the 7 states of Northeast are taking part in the games. Nagaland and Mizoram will clash in the final of the men's football in the national level Northeast Games. In the first semi-final played at the Kuman Lampak artificial turf this morning, Nagaland defeated host Manipur by 3-2. Nagaland players Kikri Imlongchaba and Ting Naik scored in the 14th, 22nd and 42nd minute of the match to enter the final. In the second semi-final, Mizoram trounced Tripura 3-1. The final match will be played on March 7. Manipur will clash with Tripura for the 3rd place. The tournament is organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur under the aegis of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan. Manipur's Lenin Laikram and Salam Jayanta, who are in the Indian team participating in the Indo-Sri Lankan Invitational Masters Swimming May 2016, have bagged several medals in the tournament held in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Lenin Laikram bagged 2 gold in 100 and 200 meter freestyle and 2 silver in 100 meter individual medley and 100 meter backstroke. Salam Jayanta won gold in 100 meter breaststroke, silver in 50 meter breaststroke and bronze in 100 meter individual. The 12th under-15 second Saturday and second Sunday Rapid Chess Tournament 2016 will be organized by Kanglei Chess Academy under the aegis of Manipur Chess Association on March 12 and 13. The forms are available at the office of Kanglei Chess Academy, Yai School opposite Hicham, Yaichampat. The entry shall be on first-come, first-served basis. Model Club A Chingamaka have won the first state-level Aribam Amutombi Sharma Memorial Color Dress Veteran Cricket Trophy Championship. In the final played at Luang Pokpak Cricket Stadium at Luang Sangba, Model Club A Chingamaka won the toss and elected to bat first. They made 193 for 3 in 30 overs. In reply, Nauria Pakang Lakpa Sporting Association Ka Imphal scored 160 for 9 in 30 overs, losing the final by 33 runs. Model Club Chingamaka hosted a tournament under the aegis of Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi emphasizes the need for self-reliance in food production. Thaunawjam Harajit fails to appear in the CGM court due to illness in Sanjit and Rabina fake encounter case. And Manipur is the winner of men's hockey in national level Northeast Games.